sweet. Eat your veggies, fruits too. Strong and happy, that's for you. Drink clean water every day. Keeps you healthy in every way. Say please and thank you too. Sharing and caring is good to do. Clean your toys and put them away. Helps you learn in a fun way. Make your bed when you awake. Tidy rooms are fun to make. Don't forget to rest and sleep. Dreams are lovely, calm and deep. Cover your mouth when you sneeze. Stop germs flying with such ease. Listen well and follow rules. Learning's fun in classrooms and schools. Be kind to friends and pets you see. Helping others makes you happy. Turn off lights when not in use. Saving energy is good to choose. Pick up trash, keep earth clean. Nature stays bright and green. Smile a lot, be cheerful each day. Good habits make a happy way.